Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crinoline fascinator. Basically, we're doing a double rosette kind of crinoline fascinator. So as you can see, I'm simply doing a running stitch like pleating stitches at the center of my crinoline. Also, the size of the crinoline I'm using is one is 15 inches and the other one is 17 inches. So just keep watching and learning. It's easy peasy to do. Try yours out.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So this is basically how I'm embellishing my crinoline fascinator. So you can embellish with what you choose to. You can use just roses, you can use feathers, whichever one you please. Please, if you're watching this video, I have a training coming up. I would love you to be part of it. Now, free classes, they are not as comprehensive as the paid classes. So I have 2 weeks intensive fascinator making training. It will be starting on the 1st of October. So concerning this our fascinator, the next thing is just to attach my Alice band and to cover it up. I was talking about my training that will be starting on the 1st of October through 14th of October. It's 2 weeks intensive training on how to make beautiful fascinators. Over 40 videos are available for you to learn from, the nitty gritties, hacks, and how to monetize this millinery. Okay, so I would love you to be part of this training. Check the description box to get the link, to get the details. Okay, you can also reach me via the number showing on your screen right now if you want to be part of the training. It's just for a little fee. Also, you can check on my Instagram handle, send a DM. You can check my Facebook page or on Google, whichever one you choose, or email and reach out to us, okay? So I'm almost done with my fascinator. I'll just cover up the stitched parts, which I won't be showing in this video. If you've been following me, you would know how to do that.